After creating a lot of small web apps and games with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, I realized now I have to create something bigger like anonymous chat room where people can message with random usernames and pictures. For storing data I had to learn backend. Also I always want to use React, so I choose to learn full stack. I surf on internet and ask questions from ChatGPT that which tech stack is more popular. Then I found Marin stack. MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. It's totally work with JavaScript. I started learning with a hand-on project-based course on Udemy. After watching videos and do exact things for 1 month, I started the project with buying a domain. Then created folders and installed essential libraries and dependencies. I set up the backend with creating my database on MongoDB, add authentication, messaging groups, and other systems by using Node and Express, rate limit messaging for preventing spams. Then I create the front end by using Tailwind CSS for easier styling. And this is the result. Zodomix, an anonymous chat app. No register required. But if you register, you will get a permanent human number with permission to create your own groups and customize it according to your usage. My intent of creating zodomix is to killing time out of social media. So if you hate or bored from social medias, open the browser and search zodomix.